The Desktop Metal Studio system was designed to enable easy-to-adopt metal 3D printing for any office, studio, or laboratory environment. Simplified metal part production allows manufacturers to innovate faster and regain ownership of their design process. The Studio System 3D printer utilizes two separate extruders that run in tandem during the printing process, one for the part material and the other for the ceramic release layer that's printed between the part and its supports for easy support removal. The two-step process of the Studio System produces complicated geometry like undercuts and internal cooling channels, while delivering on the material properties that engineers expect for the most demanding applications. In a process called bound metal deposition, rods made out of metal powder held together by a wax binder are extruded through a metal nozzle onto a build plate and shape the part layer by layer, very similar to the FDM process we all know and love. After printing, the parts are heated to near melting temperature of the metal, removing 100% of the binder and densifying the metal powder up to 99.8%. The Studio System 3D printer and the Desktop Metal Furnace integrate with secure web-based software to automate the entire part creation process, offering step-by-step guidance through the entire workflow, from digital file to finished metal part. The Live Studio software constructs build plans from any CAD file and applies scale and orientation for optimal printing and sintering success, constructing advanced supports and applying sintering profiles for expert metallurgy. This software-controlled approach offers easy job creation, process monitoring, and material management. A wide range of materials are available for the Studio System, each alloy undergoing a rigorous qualification by world-leading material scientists. From stainless and tool steels to nickel superalloys, the material properties surpass the minimum standards of MPIF 35 with fantastic surface finish and feature resolution. Perfectly safe to handle and hot swappable media cartridges, as well as quick release print heads, allow for material changes in a matter of minutes. With no loose powder or hazardous lasers, this process eliminates the need for inert atmosphere printing, as well as other safety concerns often associated with metal 3D printing, while enabling brand new features like closed cell infill for lightweight strength. The Desktop Metal Furnace offers industrial quality sintering in an office-friendly package. It's fully integrated, fully automated, and sized to fit perfectly through an office door. Built-in time, temperature, and gas profiles are tuned to every build and every material to ensure the best properties throughout the entire build. The result is a near net-shaped part with the strength, accuracy, and resolution needed for functional prototyping, durable tooling, and end-use applications. The Desktop Metal Studio System brings metal 3D printing into the hands of the engineer, designer, or student, providing a safe, cost-effective, and easy-to-use solution for printing complex metal parts in-house, without the need for an expert metallurgist or machinist.